The AI Revolution. Industries on the Brink. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our special program today. We're about to delve into the transformative power of artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping various industries. Our topic today: 8 industries AI will transform first. Buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey into the future. Number 1. Healthcare. Our journey begins with the healthcare industry. AI-powered diagnostic tools and predictive analytics are already revolutionizing patient care. AI can analyze medical records, detect diseases early, and even assist in surgery. The days of misdiagnosis may soon be a thing of the past. Number 2. Manufacturing. Next on the list is manufacturing. AI-powered robots and automation are drastically improving efficiency and reducing errors. Factories are becoming smarter, quicker, and more cost-effective. Number 3. Agriculture. Agriculture is not left behind. AI is optimizing crop management, predicting crop diseases, and even assisting in autonomous farming. This is essential in ensuring food security for our growing population. Number 4. Finance. Now, let's talk about finance. AI algorithms are transforming the way we manage money. From algorithmic trading to personalized financial advice, AI is making financial services more efficient and accessible. Number 5. Transportation. Transportation is undergoing a radical transformation. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are poised to revolutionize how we move. With safety improvements and reduced traffic congestion, our commutes may never be the same. Number 6. Retail. Retail is next on the list. AI-driven recommendation engines are changing the way we shop online. They analyze our preferences and behaviors to offer personalized product suggestions, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Number 7. Education. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms and intelligent tutors are helping students learn at their own pace. This could reshape traditional classroom dynamics. Number 8. Legal. The legal industry is also in the AI crosshairs. AI-powered tools are automating contract review, legal research, and even predicting case outcomes. Please subscribe for more of this content.